have Q-tips right here. This is the 500 pack right here. I bought this, and I'm just going to be opening up to take a look at it, give you a quick review of it. It says the ultimate home and beauty tool, the most soft cotton at the tip. All right, so paper stick sourced by Sustainable Forest. On this side, they talk about what it could be used for: beauty, first aid, baby care, and home electronics. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I believe there's an opening on the back right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this right here. Press that, and I believe it, how does it go? It pops open a little bit. Don't want to mess it up. So yeah, so press that, and it pops open like that. And it reveals the Q-tips. I don't want to peel it all the way back because it exposes a lot of the Q-tips in here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and let's look at the tip of the Q-tip. So this is the cotton tip that they're talking about. They say the most softest cotton tips that are available. Kind of believe them. 500 come in here, so it should last me a while. But yeah, that's the cotton tips. The Q-tips, cotton swabs. This is, when people say Q-tips, this is what they're referring to, but they are actually cotton swabs. There are different versions of cotton swabs or different brands, but this is the name brand that people know and trust and, quite frankly, perhaps love. So that's Q-tips. Hope that was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.